Welcome to MKS Atotech and ESI booth at HKPCA Show 2025. This year, MKS is exhibiting two strategic brands. The Atotech brand, known for its leading wet chemical processes, equipment, software and services, and the ESI brand with its innovative laser systems for PCB and IC substrates. With being part of MKS, we are leveraging the expertise in lasers, optics, motion, process chemistry, and equipment. And with this stand out in the marketplace with our ability to optimize the interconnect, a key driver for the coming era of advanced electronics, characterized by enhanced miniaturization and complexity. We welcome you to explore our comprehensive range of products and solutions. These include next-generation bonding enhancement products, electroless metallization, and electrolytic copper BMV and TH filling, as well as various final PCB finishes solutions, horizontal and vertical PCB equipment, as well as laser drilling systems. These innovations are designed to improve production yield, reliability, and efficiency, ensuring optimal results for manufacturers. Come and find out more about the latest addition to our equipment portfolio, V-Plate, a new generation of vertical conveyorized plating tool for non-contact board transport, and advanced pattern filling, which offers better uniformity of ±7%. As a leading laser manufacturer, ESI has a long-standing reputation in the UV laser platform for flex PCB through-hole drilling and is expanding its market reach in CO2 laser systems for HDI and package substrate, providing customers with a good choice for innovation in laser drilling. We don't just keep up, we enable. By embracing emerging trends and partnering with key players in the value chain, we're developing next-generation solutions in wet chemistry, laser and PCB processing equipment, and software for PCB and IC substrate manufacturing, and many areas of wafer-level packaging.